Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the DREAME L40s Ultra CE robot vacuum and mop combo, a vacuum that promises to elevate your cleaning routine with its impressive list of features. This robot is designed to handle multiple surfaces, from carpets to hard floors, and offers a unique combination of suction power, smart navigation, and self-cleaning functions. So let's dive into what makes this robot stand out, and if it lives up to its claims. At first glance, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE offers a powerful 13,000 PPA suction rating, definitely something that catches your attention. This vacuum claims to dig deep into your carpets, lifting dirt from even the most stubborn spots, while also adapting seamlessly to hard floors. The strength of its suction means it should perform well on embedded dirt, fine dust, and of course, pet hair. This is an important aspect for many people, particularly those with furry friends at home who constantly deal with shedding. The vacuum also comes with a self-emptying power dock station, a feature that takes convenience to another level. The dock empties the vacuum's dustbin for you, keeping things hands-free for up to 100 days. But that's not all. The dock refills the water for mopping, cleans the mop pads, and uses hot air to dry them after each cleaning session. If you hate the idea of dealing with regular maintenance or have a busy lifestyle, this automated system may be a game changer. Now let's talk about the real-world usability. The DREAME L40s Ultra CE is equipped with a specialized TriCut Brush, which is designed to handle long hair with minimal tangling. Pet owners in particular will appreciate this feature since vacuuming pet hair is notorious for clogging brushes. The combination of tangle-free hair removal and the powerful suction means the vacuum doesn't just collect dirt, but also tackles hair, which is often a pain point with traditional vacuums. This robot vacuum goes beyond just a vacuuming function with its intelligent carpet adaptation technology. Using ultrasonic sensors, it detects carpet surfaces and automatically boosts the suction power for deeper cleaning. Not only that, it lifts the mop up to 10.5 millimeters, so your carpet stays safe and dry while still getting its necessary attention. This is a nice touch because it prevents the mop from leaving wet streaks on your rugs, keeping the whole process seamless. When it comes to navigating around your home, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE makes sure it doesn't miss a spot. The Smart Pathfinder technology helps it map your space accurately and adjust its path on the fly. It avoids obstacles with precision, ensuring that it doesn't get stuck under furniture or waste time navigating around obstructions. For a robot vacuum, this level of navigation makes it a powerful option for those with more cluttered homes or intricate layouts. On top of all that, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE is compatible with both voice and app control. Whether you prefer to command it through a voice assistant or set it up manually via an app, you have the flexibility to control it however you choose. If you're into smart home integrations, this vacuum gives you that convenience. However, no product is without its downsides. For all its high-tech features, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE has a few limitations. First, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. While this is common in many smart devices, if you're running a 5 GHz network, you might encounter connectivity issues. Also, while the self-emptying dock is a great feature, it's worth noting that the module for automatic water filling must be purchased separately. This means the full convenience of the system isn't immediately available right out of the box. In terms of real-world performance, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE excels on both hard floors and carpets, especially when it comes to suction power. Its ability to lift embedded dirt from rugs and effectively handle fine dust on hard floors is something many users will appreciate. However, its effectiveness can be somewhat limited by the size of the dustbin, which, though sufficient for most tasks, might require emptying more often for larger homes. The value for money here is a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you're getting a high level of convenience, great suction power, smart features, and a self-cleaning station that sets this robot apart from others. On the other hand, the additional costs for certain features, like the automatic water refill, could add up. Depending on your needs and cleaning habits, the vacuum might be worth it, but you'll need to weigh its strengths against its price tag. When it comes to comparisons, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE holds its own. It competes with other robot vacuums in a similar price range, such as the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus or the Roborock S7. While the Roomba offers great navigation and app control, it doesn't have the same level of mop cleaning or the automatic mop pad cleaning function. The Roborock S7 is also an excellent choice for pet owners, but its self-emptying base doesn't have the additional features of mopping pad cleaning or drying like the DREAME L40s Ultra CE. However, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE could fall short in terms of app functionality and Wi-Fi connectivity, especially compared to some competitors that offer more stable connections. Build quality is solid for the price point, though some parts feel a bit flimsy. The dust bin and mop attachment mechanisms are easy to clean, but like many robot vacuums, it's important to regularly maintain the brushes and filter to keep things running smoothly. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little upkeep, this vacuum should serve you well. Long-term reliability remains to be fully seen, but given the build and the reputation of the DREAME brand, it's reasonable to expect durability. If you run into any issues, the brand's customer service has received positive feedback, though it's always good to double-check any warranty specifics and support policies based on your region. In summary, the DREAME L40s Ultra CE robot vacuum and mop combo is an impressive piece of tech, particularly for those looking for convenience, pet hair handling, and powerful suction. It's best suited for people with a mix of hard floors and carpets, pet owners, and anyone who enjoys the idea of a hands-free cleaning experience. While it's not perfect, some extra costs and the Wi-Fi limitations are worth noting, it offers a high level of value for the price, especially if you're looking for a robot that can vacuum, mop, and even clean itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box below. If you've got questions or experiences with the DREAME L40s Ultra CE, feel free to share them. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your tech smart.